Guys, what's going on? It is Jamie back in the Wild Foods kitchen, where we are obsessed with ingredients and the stories behind them. Today we have something super delicious for you guys. We are gonna make a collagen avocado pudding. Super simple and easy to do, so stay tuned. Our collagen is super special because it's grass-fed and from pasture-raised cows. Collagen is super important because it helps support your tendons, ligaments, and joints. And we also do not consume enough collagen in our current diet. So a supplement is super key for this, and why not add it to some really easy desserts? And it's odorless and flavorless, so you don't even taste it. So now we're gonna go into the recipe. I'm gonna share exactly what goes into this, guys. All right, so this recipe is really simple. All you do is put everything inside the blender and mix it up. Here we've got 1 full avocado, a little bit of monk fruit, I would say a teaspoon or a little more, and you can adjust to your liking, a pinch of salt, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 2 scoops of collagen protein, along with 1 cup of filtered water. So guys, we just got everything in the blender, and we're gonna, I would say, blend it on a low setting, and it's gonna be ready to go. That's it. Check out this consistency. Came out really nice. Let's give it a go. Wow. That's like the healthiest pudding I've ever had. So simple. Throw everything into a blender and you have this amazing, healthy keto dessert that takes like no time. Much better than the pudding that you're buying at the store, guys. Hope you liked that recipe. Please let us know if you try it. Comment below, tag us, notify us any way possible. Let us know if you guys try that one. We will be sure to link the products below. Be sure to subscribe to our newest release of our podcast, the Living Wild podcast. We will also link that below. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to make sure that you're notified every time we release content, which is basically daily. And be sure to subscribe and like this video. We'll see you guys very soon. Have fun. Bye.